Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, as you've probably guessed from the thumbnail and the title, we have a new car. It's a Mazda MX-5. So what have I brought here? I've brought a 2003 Mark 2.5 Mazda MX-5. It's a 1.6, so a smaller engine and an open differential. Now it comes with a little bit of service history, but not a lot, and some questionable items that we'll show you through now. So when I bought this MX-5 Supreme Edition, it came with some optional extras, if that can be the right word. So a little tour around the car, and you'll see it came with a shirt of some kind, look of the day, size 10 UK, some sort of shirt. Yeah, I don't know why but that was in the passenger footwell. Other things, we opened the glove box, came with a butcher's receipt, some Rizzler, and a box of matches. A pretty full box of matches. Some of the other things that the car came with, down here we've got a pair of free sunglasses. Yeah, some fetching sunglasses. Not sure whether they suit me or not. Let me know. Screw from a GoPro mount, a couple of drawing pins and some change, so it actually made this car a little bit cheaper. So we've got 20, 30, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 51p in change, so it actually made the car a little bit cheaper. In the ashtray we've got remnants of some roll-ups, so it's evidently smoked in. These glasses are pretty grotty. Also in the boot we have another set of HT leads, and it looks like 4 used spark plugs and some more bits and bobs in there, and locking wheel nuts, which is handy. Overall this car's done 98,000 miles and it came with 4 pretty decent tyres, to be fair. All round we've got 4 matching Pirelli tyres with a decent amount of tread on them and not too much rust around the rest of the car. This car is so good, a bird shat on it. This is my MX-5, and if you want to join me on the journey with this car, then like and subscribe. If you don't, give it a dislike. Perfectly fine. Just let me know how I can do it better in the future. Until the next time, bye.